Again there guys, this is our standard 1080p reverse camera. Quite often mounted upside down like that at the back of a vehicle or truck or caravan. You can also flip this mount to have it actually facing directly out. But the only thing that's different about this one is we've put a 4-pin aviation connector on here. So if you are running like this type of cable, which just basically means you can run it a bit longer, you can use this actual model here. Or if you want to hook up an easy camera to something that already has the 4-pin aviation connector, this is a good 1080p reverse camera, very small and compact. On here you got a couple wires. If you chop them, it can mirror the image, and if you chop this, it can flip vertically up and down. So they're basically actual horizontal flip and vertical flip. So that's that. In the kit you get a mounting stick pad that sticks onto there, so it holds it in place, and you can apply the screws. Makes it pretty easy to do. There is also a 4-pin to RCA adapter if you need it. Now if you do need this, that'll plug into the end. You have to put power down here with this, so obviously some ACC power source, and that would go into your RCA port. The white cable is not used because there's no microphone on this camera, but a lot of the time you won't be needing this because we're probably after a small compact cable that just had the 4-pin on it, and that is why we have that. We just include it all in the kit, so you're all ready to go for whatever solution you come across.